Thomas Joseph. I am from class 3B. Today I am for a message. Every second, every lecture, my life can be changed. Be well. Thank you. My name is Manoj. I am 3B. And 3B. Actually, one message. You may delay, but I will not. Thank you.
To share us some time-related thoughts and message, now would like to invite Vamsi Srihari Annadev.
Today I stand before you to say a speech based on time management. Respected teachers and my dear friends, effective time management is the cornerstone of achieving success and balance in our lives. By prioritizing tasks and setting clear goals, we can ensure that our time is spent productively. This leads to greater efficiency and less stress. Ultimately, mastering time management not only enhances our productivity but also enriches us in our personal and academic lives, leading to a more fulfilling existence. So, dear friends, prioritize wisely, plan effectively and unlock your full potential. Thank you and have a nice day.
Of class 3B, standing before you to share some tips. Effective time management. Tip 1. Always make to-do list and manage your priority. Tip 2. Discipline. Tip 3. Do not multitask. Always to do things one by one. Thank you and have a nice day.
Joseph Rankin to speak on the topic time management. Bodies of 5 Israelis killed on October 7 recovered from Gaza, says army. Death toll from Ethiopia landslide hits 257. Good reads 500, says UN. More than 100 flights cancelled in Germany due to climate protests.
Good morning all. My name is Ashwani. Today I am with the national news. On Kargil War anniversary, Prime Minister Modi warns Pakistan against supporting terrorism and proxy war against India. Mount burial system of Ahom dynasty in Assam included in UNESCO World Heritage List. ITR filing deadlines financial year 2023-24, July 31 deadline may stay. Income tax portal wrap-up.
Good morning everyone. I'm Nihal Rakesh in class 3B with the theme. Suggestion asked Chief Minister not to go ahead with the coastal highway project. Navy staff search for answering Gandharavali River. Strong currents halt diving operations. Blue alert issued for Banasura Southern Dam in Wayanad. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am Indran Saviton from class 3B and I am here with the sports news. World witnesses current racer for Olympics. The 170th athletes across 16 events. India faces Olympics 2024 in Paris. Spain wins Euro Cup, defeating England to 2-1. Spain wins European Championship 2024. T20 World Cup 2024 final. After 17 years, India wins T20 World Cup under the leadership of Rohit Sharma. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. This is Vidya from class 3 with the campus. The School Youth Festival Jollies 2024 was conducted on 18th and 19th of July. The first midterm examination of the year 2024 and 25 will begin on August 5th. Thank you.
Much, Edric, Alok, Mihal, Ashwin, and Ritika. Just the thought of having too little time to complete work is enough to make us feel stressed, while there are many ways for improving time. Now, would like to invite Neera Radish to share us some time management tips. Developing the habit of reading news. Every day, Developing the habit of reading news every day makes us know the current happenings in and around the world on time. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. So, to read the news headlines, I welcome Andrew, Alok, Mihal, Ashwin, Ritika. Please come forward.
Good morning, friends. I'm Alisha from class 3B. Today I'm going to present the review of book titled Time by Britannica Early Discovery. The book describes ways to measure time. The easiest way is by looking at the movements of the sun and the moon. Humans have invented various instruments to measure time ranging from sundials and hourglasses to digital clocks. We have bell systems at schools and at places of worship to tell the time. Scales of time range from seconds to weeks to years. Time always moves forward and never backward. I found this book to be very useful since it was a very small book. It was very convenient to read. I learned a lot of things from this book. I also learned a lot of new words such as dawn, digital clock, hourglass, stopwatch, sunlight, etc. I hope you all read this book and find it as interesting as I did. Thank you.
Good morning, all. I'm Sean Thomas Reynolds of Class 3B. Today's thought of the day is, your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. Thank you and have a nice day. To the Class 3B assembly. We are very happy to see you all gathered here. Thank you for joining us with this morning assembly. Time has a great importance in our life. Once time passes, it never comes back. Well, I am here to welcome you all to the gathering. Firstly, I welcome our most beloved principal and the visionary leader, Reverend Father Philippos Tunuachira, CMI, to the assembly of Class 3B. Welcome, dear Father. Next, I would like to welcome our Vice Principal, Madam Elizabeth Reggie, who assured a favorable environment for our studies. Welcome, dear ma'am. I would like to welcome our dear Krishna Vyasa from English Department to our assembly. Next, I would like to welcome our class teacher Rashmi Miss and all our dedicated and inspiring teachers to this assembly. I would also like to welcome all our non-teaching staff who support us in our team. Last but not least, I welcome all of you, my dear friends, to this function. Thank you all. Thank you, my
To achieve success. So, to share us a good thought on time management, I request Sean Thomas Sanuj to come to the dais
for a delivery welcome speech. And prosperity lies my happiness.
Thank you, Rashmi ma'am.
Music has a healing power. It has an ability to take people out of themselves for a few hours. To say how powerful music is, here I would like to invite my dear friends in our few minutes with an amazing performance.
Teachers and my dear students, our class assembly theme is time management. So before telling about time management, let me ask you, what is time? Do you have any idea what is time? Yeah, what is time? It's just by the something in the clock or something? No, actually, we can compare time to a flowing river. The flow or the water flowing, we can't touch it twice, right? So same way, the time once gone is gone. You can't touch it, or you can use that time so just use your time wisely every time. Enjoy every moment of your lifetime. Sometimes you will feel sad. So at that time you will feel like it's endless, right? And sometimes when you're waiting for someone, how you feel about your time? It's long lasting, right? It is very slow. And sometimes if you are late, the time will be very fast. That's all this time matters, or all the time which we see is with our feelings, our mental conditions, right? So it is who decide the time? It's by a clock or us? We decide our time, right? So always we should decide our time, enjoy every moment, be fruitful or do something successful in each moment and build a very bright future. With that, I conclude. Thank you.
Tick, 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 tick,
and non-teaching staff. Good morning, everybody. What is so special about today? Anyway, your friends have presented a matchless, timeless, and paramount theme for their assembly presentation. What is the theme of the assembly? The importance of time. Which reminded me the great book written by Stephen Hawking. Have you heard about Stephen Hawking? Stephen Hawking wrote the book A Brief History of Time. Unfortunately, listen to me, children. I know that a blunt speech is useless. I know very well. I'm not an eloquent orator like principal. His body was totally paralyzed. Think about it. Except eyelids, all parts of the body were paralyzed. But he utilized his time precisely and made several inventions and discoveries. Leave that. I'm not ready for an eloquent speech today. May I ask you another important point about what is a sensational event which is going on in French capital today? Though it began yesterday as per IS Indian Standard Time, this competition began Paris Olympics 2024. Dear students, what is so special about Paris Olympics? This Olympics has a speciality. What is that? In the history of Olympics, in the history of 128 years, first time in the history, Olympic Games is held outside a stadium. This time, Paris Olympics is held on the bank of River Seine. Okay, risk factors are there. Fortunately, everything went on very well. Okay, we will exhibit the opening ceremony of Paris Olympics on TV. Okay, CB sir will do that. Okay, anyway, congratulations to 3B students and their class teacher for performing an exemplary assembly with a matchless theme. Teacher which grade should be awarded now? Give a big round of applause to teacher Rashmi ma'am and the teacher student, 3B students. What can be the grade given? Everything went on very well. One and only thing that cannot be recycled. I saw a caption on the one and only thing that cannot be recycled is wasted time. A fundamental captivating thoughts. A captivating thought always conquers our hearts. That captivated the attention of all the teachers standing here. Anyway, everything went on well. Dance performance. That song, Hindi song, sorry, I'm not eloquent in Hindi. I don't. Is it a Hindi song? Yeah, sorry. Anyway, that program maintained a quality and standard. I appreciate the teacher and the students. Teacher, which grade should be awarded? 9.5. Give them a big round of applause. Big round of applause. My dear students, I have a humble request. Next time onwards, next time onwards, instead of this interrupted clap, we will clap with the 3 count. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. After, is it better, teacher? That is better. Otherwise, it will be a monotonous and interrupted voice. Okay, could you please give me a clap in that video? 1 second. Stop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Okay. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your exemplary performance. Okay, congratulations to all the students and the class.
That's great. I think that video is taken to disgrace. taken to disgrace.